EPCLink is an add-on solution for RepairLink and CollisionLink users, designed to provide direct access to parts catalog data directly within the OEC portal. Check out how easy it is. First, open a CollisionLink or RepairLink order. Next, launch EPCLink with one click from your CollisionLink or RepairLink order screen. EPCLink instantly searches every part in your order, eliminating individual part searching in your EPC to save you time. View illustrations, supersession, and part information, as well as edit and add notes to the illustrations. In addition, you can attach the marked up illustrations and add related parts directly back into your CollisionLink or RepairLink orders from EPCLink. When you finish verifying your parts information, finish processing your parts order in CollisionLink or RepairLink. It's that easy to access accurate parts information using EPCLink. Save time, search less, sell more.